Hello everyone and welcome to Python tutorial for beginners. In this video, I'm going to explain input-output function present inside Python. So first of all, I'm going to explain output function. In Python, to print output on command prompt, we use print function. Now, I'm going to write down the syntax of the print function. Check out. Print in bracket first parameter is data you want to print, whatever data, that may be string value, that may be integer value, that may be float value, whatever data you want to print, that is the first parameter. Then second parameter is called separator character, and third parameter I'm going to explain, that is called inline character. So I'm going to explain these three parameters for the print function. Now start with the first, that is called print data you want to print. In bracket I'm going to write down hello world. Okay, check out here. Now, when I execute this one, hello world printed on the command prompt. Check out this one. This is the hello world. This is the output of this line. Now, suppose I want to print multiple values by using single print statement. So how to print multiple values by using single print statement? Suppose I am writing a is equals to 10, and then I want to write print value of a is, then how to print the value of a, just give the comma here, check out here a. So when I execute this one, check out what is the output. Check out value of a is 10. So this print statement, check out this one, this is the first data you want to print, that is called value of a is, this is printed here. After that, space is given here, and after space 10 value is printed. Means what? If you want to print multiple values by using print function, then you have to use comma. Check out here, here comma is present, and here this is the first output I want to print, that is called value of a is, and this is the second output, that is actual value of a variable. So just give the what comma to print the multiple values. Now take another example. Suppose just remove this one, and here I'm going to write down print, here write down hello, then give comma, then write down which one, world. Now check out here, there are two strings I want to print on the command prompt. First string is which one, hello, second string is which one, world. If I execute this one, check out what is the output. This is the first string, then space character. So automatically space is inserted between what, two output. This is the first output, hello is the first output, world is the second output. Means what? If we print multiple values by using what, print function, by default separator character is space, but you can change that separator character by using what, SEP parameter. So just copy this one, copy, control C, then paste here, then write down SEP, that is called separator character. You can change the separator character of the what, output. By default it is space. Now suppose if I write separator character is equals to star. Now what happened here? Output is printed hello, then world. But between hello and world, one separator character is present, that is which one, star. So just run this one and check out here. Output is what, hello. This is the separator character inside which one, this one, that is called star. And after that separator character, output is printed what, world. You can give any separator character. Just copy this one. For example, another print function, just write down here hash symbol. Now here in this example, what is the separator character, hash symbol. So when I execute this one, between hello and world, instead of space, what character is used, that is called hash character is used. So that is the second parameter, that is called which one, SAP, separator character. Now third parameter, that is called which one, end line parameter. Now check out, suppose if I write print, here I write hello, that is the first print state function, print in bracket which one, world. Now there are two print function I'm writing, first print hello, second print which one, world. If I execute this one, check out, output of first line is which one, this one, then output of second line is this one. Now what happened here? Here I'm not specifying /n. /n means what, go to the next line. Here inside the print function, by default end line character is which one, /n. /n means what, new line character. Now what is the meaning of this one? It will print hello to the command prompt and go to the next line. Means what? After printing hello, it will go to the what? Next line here. Check out cursor transfer to the next line. Means what? By default, print function print output to the command prompt and go to the what? Next line. Cursor transfer to the next line, because by default inline character is what? /n. Now you can change that inline character. Check out here. If I write comma, then end is equals to, suppose I don't want to give any inline character. Check out here. Nothing is present here. So if I execute this one, check out output is equals to which one? Hello world. Now what happened? First print statement, print this output that is called hello, and cursor is not transferred to the next line. Why cursor is not transferred to the next line? Because here I am writing end is equals to what? No end line character, nothing. End line character is what? There is no end line character. Even it is not blank. Check out here. If I give space here, then what happens? Space is inserted here. Check out this one. This is not separator character. This is which one? End line character. Means what? After executing your print function, space is given, and then next print statement is what? Executed. So suppose you want to print your output to the single line by using multiple print statement or print function, then you can remove the end line character by using which one? End. You can give any end line character, doesn't matter. Suppose you can give what? @ end line or hash or any inline character you can use depending upon your requirement. Check out output is what? Hello, at, and lastly which one? World. So remember, this is not separator character. This is which one? End line character. Separator character use when we want to print multiple output within a single print function like this one. Suppose if I write print, then suppose I'm writing here A character, then B character, then what? C character. Now check out, by default separator character between what? These three ABC is what? Space. But you can specify the separator character, any separator character. For example, I'm writing here what? Hash symbol. So when I execute this one, now output is what? ABC is separated by which one? Hash symbol. Remember, these are two different parameter. Separator character is used to give the what? Space or any other separator character between what? Different values when we use single print function to print the multiple values. And end line character means after printing the output, whether you want to go to the next line or you don't want to go to the next line, then we use which one? End line character. Okay, so these are the basic parameters you have to use while calling the print function. Now I'm going to explain next function, that is called which one? Input function. So check out here, what is the syntax of the input function and what is the purpose of the input function. Input function is used to take string input from the keyboard. Suppose you want to take any data as an input from the keyboard, then you can use which one? Input function. But you have to remember, whatever data you take, that may be what? Numeric value, that may be string value, any data entered by user always converted into string before storing inside which one? Variable. Means what? You can take only string value by using which one? Input function. Now what is the syntax of the input function? First of all, I'm going to write down the syntax of the input function. Check out here. Input, that is the syntax, in bracket, whatever prompt you want to view to the user. So prompt is actually string we wish to display on the screen. Whatever the message we want to view to the user before taking input, then we use which one? Prompt. And it is not compulsory, it is optional. So whatever string, for example, you want to take name input from the user. So what you can write? Name is equals to, you can write down input function in bracket, check out the parameter prompt, in bracket, write down enter your name, Okay, so this is the prompt display to the user. Check out here, I'm going to write down here colon. So this is the prompt display to the user entered the name, and that name stored inside which variable? Name variable. Now print output, print, suppose give the greeting like hello, then comma, then write down the name variable. So what is the line by line execution? First of all, this prompt displayed to the user, then whatever name entered by user, that is stored inside which one? Name variable. And here first hello is display, and after that value of the name variable is display. So when I execute this one, check out enter your name. Suppose I entered ABC and press enter button, check out hello ABC. So you can use input function to take only string input. For example, I'm going to take another example here. Check out. Suppose I write a is equals to input, enter what? Number one. Suppose I'm taking one number from user. Just copy this one, Control C, Control V, enter number two, that is stored inside which one? B variable. Now try to add these two variable like C is equals to A plus B and print output, print, like just write down here addition each. Okay, so print addition that is present inside C variable. Now check out when I execute this one, what is the output? So when I execute this one, check out, enter the first number, that is suppose 10, enter the second number, check out here 10 numbers stored inside which one? A variable here, then 20. Now already I told you whatever input you take by using input function, always it is present in the format of the string. So whenever I entered 10 value, that is converted into string and that is stored inside which one? A variable. Whenever I entered 20, that is converted into string and that is stored inside which one? B variable. Now means what? 10 and 10, 20 present in the format of the string. So when we apply the plus sign, so plus sign act as a concat operator between the two string. Concat means what? Joining. It will join these two values. So check out when I press the enter, you will get the output is equals to which one? 20, 10, 20. You will not get output is equals to 30 because here 10 and 20 are not integer values. These are string values. You can cross check by using type function. So just write down here print type. The name of the function is called type function, type of A, then print type of which one? B. Okay, so when I execute this one, check out, again entered 10 value, again entered 20 value. So what is the type of the A? The type of the A is what? String. Type of the B is also which one? String. And when we apply plus sign between two string, then it act as a concat operator. Concat means what? It will perform the join operation. That's why output is equals to which one? 1020. You are not getting output is equals to 30. Then question is that suppose you want to take integer value, float value, then how to take input from the what? Keyboard. Now same procedure you have to use, only here you can use type conversion function. So here you can write down like this one, after taking input, just write down A is equals to use the type conversion function that is called int A. Then again write down B is equals to which one? Int what? B. Now what happened here? Whatever input entered by user that is by default present inside string that is stored inside a variable, then I use int function to convert that string value into integer value and stored inside which one? A variable. So in this manner, you can take any string value from the keyboard and that can be converted into integer by using which one? Int function. Suppose you want to take the float value, then you can use float function to convert the what? String value into float value. So check out here when I execute this one, now it will give the addition. Check out, enter first number that is 10, enter second number that is equals to 20. Check out now data type of both variable is which one? Integer. Why? Because I use which one? Int function. So in the same manner, you can use float function to take the what? Float value from the user. So in this manner, you can use what? Input function to take the input from the keyboard. So in this video, we discuss how to print the output by using print function and how to take the input from the keyboard by using what? Input function.